Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Equipped with a 592 horsepower, 454 CID V8 engine, and a 4-speed manual transmission. This car is finished in a beautiful dark blue metallic and graphite exterior, and blue and black vinyl interior. With documentation, build sheets, history, and assembly manual, this Corvette is in good condition and comes fully customized, including 454 LS6 V8 engine, 4-speed transmission, AM/FM cassette, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, telescopic steering wheel, T-tops, vinyl interior, defrost, heater, seatbelts, custom exhaust, and much more.